Our first stop is going to be at the lower falls. After taking a look around, we'll continue up to the middle falls and then again to the upper falls.
Hey guys, what's up? Matson and Anderson here in beautiful California. We are doing the McCloud Falls trail right now. There's 3 different sets of waterfalls. There's lower, middle, and upper. So we're gonna go check out the lower falls first and then we'll head on up and take a look at the other 2. Should be pretty sweet. This is a pretty easy hike. It's a nice paved trail. There's lots of picnic tables.
Great for the whole family.
First up, we've got the lower falls here.
That is pretty cool. Whoa! Alright, we gotta go down there. I'm not gonna lie to you here. You can hike all the way up to the upper falls from the lower falls. Don't recommend it. It's really, really far. So just hop in your car after you checked out the lower falls and then drive up to the middle falls.
Easy peasy. Quick and squeezy. Young Jeezy.
Pretty epic waterfall, eh? In the midst of the summer months, the Middle Falls is a very common spot to escape the heat by cliff jumping or swimming in the refreshing pool at the base of the waterfall. As inviting as the cliffs looked, cool November temperatures kept us out of the water.
Not gonna lie, you can hike from Middle Falls to Upper Falls as well, but we're gonna try. Now we're checking out the 3rd and final set of waterfalls, the Upper Falls. So far it's been pretty sweet, so we'll see what it's like.
Having only heard of McCloud Falls shortly before going, we didn't have the highest expectations. Each of the 3 falls provided their own unique features, and the area in general left us pleasantly surprised.
That was McCloud Falls. All in all, it's a pretty sweet little spot. It's easy, you know, it's easily accessible. There's parking lots at each of the falls and you can walk out and view them, and it's pretty spectacular. It's well worth making the trip.
Tune in to ETA next time for another epic trip adventure. We're here in Whitefish, Montana. We're gonna do a little bit of snowboarding. We're gonna build a Quincy fort.